Removing permanent hair dye using white vinegar.
Hello and welcome to our DIY beauty guide. Today, we'll be discussing a handy home remedy to remove permanent hair dye using a common household item, white vinegar. But before we begin, remember to perform a patch test on a small section of your hair before proceeding to ensure your hair reacts well to the vinegar.
Why use white vinegar?
White vinegar is a natural product that has been used for centuries in cleaning and beauty routines. It's known for its acidic properties, which can help to dissolve and remove the permanent hair dye from your hair strands. Note: white vinegar might not completely remove your hair dye, especially if it's dark or vibrant. It may only help to fade the color.
How many times should I use white vinegar?
For optimal results, you should use white vinegar 2 to 3 times over the course of several days. Be sure to keep a gap of at least a day between each treatment to avoid over-drying your hair. This is because the acidic properties of vinegar can potentially strip the natural oils from your hair, leading to dry and brittle hair if used excessively.
How to use white vinegar to remove hair dye.
Here is a step-by-step guide. 1. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and water. Dilute the vinegar to protect your scalp and hair from the high acidity. 2. Apply the mixture to your hair. Using a spray bottle or your hands, thoroughly apply the mixture to your hair. Make sure to focus on the areas where the dye is most concentrated. 3. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Allow the vinegar time to penetrate your hair strands and dissolve the dye. 4. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. You may follow up with a gentle shampoo to remove any remaining vinegar smell. 5. Condition your hair. Use a good moisturizing conditioner or hair mask after the vinegar treatment to restore the moisture in your hair. Removing permanent hair dye can be tricky, but white vinegar can be a handy tool in your arsenal to help fade the color. Remember to perform a patch test first and use the vinegar treatment 2 to 3 times, spaced out over several days, to protect your hair from excessive dryness. We hope this guide has been helpful and empowering in your beauty journey. Take care, and happy styling!